Just a few days ago, we wrote about the dangers of sedentary desk jobs after a study found that prolonged periods of sitting could almost double an individual's risk of early death. Now, Public Health England PHE have announced plans to prescribe walking meetings as a potential cure for chronic sedentarism in the workplace. Move more, get up and walk about. And I don't just mean in the office, PHE Chief Executive Duncan Selbie is set to say in a speech at the group's annual conference this week. Go out for a walk, get some fresh air for a meeting. His recommendations come after leading obesity expert Dr. James Levine described sitting as the new smoking. Advertisement. Continue reading below. So, instead of sitting down for a catch-up with your manager, why not head out for a stroll down the street, round a nearby park, or simply take some laps around the office? Here, we discuss some of the benefits of switching to walking meetings with Frida Westman, in-house nutritionist at Swedish health app Lifesum, and David Brudo, CEO and co-founder at personal development and mental well-being app Remente. Related article 6 Things that happen to your body when you leave your desk. A sense of community. If you shift your meetings from sit-down, formal affairs and move them to walking, you can foster a real sense of community within your team. In Sweden, walking meetings are the norm and make everyone within the team feel valued and free to speak and express their opinion. The meetings are typically run by different people, allowing everyone to have their say and showcase their ideas. Heightened creativity. Researchers at Stanford University found that people are 60% more creative when they are walking. Whether indoors or outdoors makes no difference. Improved focus. Sit-down meetings can often lead to a wandering mind, as you are in a relaxed position. Walking can help you focus on the moment in the discussion that is taking place at the time, making these meetings more productive than the sit-down equivalents. Better memory. Walking meetings leave no room for mindless note-taking because whenever a note is taken, the person has to physically stop and write it down. This means that only essential information is absorbed and committed to memory. Getty Dan Dalton. Increased energy. The goal of 10,000 steps a day will be all the more achievable if you embrace walking meetings. Movement increases circulation, which improves our energy levels. So, instead of reaching for a sugary snack to boost your energy levels, go for a walk for your next meeting. Improve overall health. As obesity rates in the UK are slowly rising, taking a walking meeting is a great way to fit in a bit of exercise into your daily routine, especially if you don't have time for regular workouts. Indeed, previous studies have found that walking as little as 15 minutes a day could increase an average person's lifespan by as much as 3 years. Boosted mood. In the winter months, we don't get enough vitamin D due to the shorter daylight hours, which is why taking a brief walk outside is great for getting both fresh air and some vitamin D. Going outside can also bring you closer to living a free-life lifestyle, a mantra of connecting to nature which is partially responsible for making sweets as content and healthy as they are. Less stress. Not only does physical movement on its own reduce your overall stress levels, but stepping away from your screen and moving to a different environment can actually help you solve the problem at hand much more quickly. Related article 7 Ways to look after your health this autumn.